This Bachand Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Aiden Bachand. This cute bungalow home in Allouez is ready for some renovation. The whole house is one blank slate looking for its next upgrade. This home features 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, all located on the main floor. As for the exterior, there is a large yard, with 2 garages. The large updated garage is fully insulated and built in 2005. The smaller garage is currently in need of some repairs but good for yard tools. With a little bit of TLC, this could be a great place to call home. For more information, review the details below or contact Aiden Bachand at 218-390-9594.